Here I am in iMovie, and we're going to be talking about audio and doing voiceover recordings and some sound effects. So here I have my clips. These are just photos that I have in my timeline. You'll notice over here the little microphone. What I want to do is make sure my playhead is in the spot where I want to create the voiceover. Put it right here. And then I'll tap the microphone here. This gives me these options here, cancel and record, and I see my levels on the screen here. I'm going to make sure that I don't go up into the red. That's a little too loud. I'm going to tap record to begin my recording. It'll count down. This is a voice recording, and I can tell that it's recording over the iMovie because it shows up red here. When I'm all done, I'm going to tap stop. And then I have these options. I can retake it if I want to try something else. I can review it by listening to it. This is a voice recording, and I can tell that it's record stop, and then accept will lock it into the iMovie. To make sound effects in our play timeline, we're going to tap on the audio button right over here. And if you don't see that, you might have to hit the plus sign up here, and then audio tab will be here. Then we have sound effects. There are several different sound effects in our library. To bring a sound effects in, tap on it and hit the plus sign. That'll bring it right at the playhead. And if I hold my finger down on it, I can move it over. And now, when I play, tap the play button. When I'm all done, I'm going to tap stop. And pause. That's sound effects.